Hi everyone, today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic how to use Feng Shui for wealth and good luck in 2021. In the year of the Horse 2021, the Northwest sector benefits from the reasons of wealth flying star age. This energy attracts prosperity, wealth, and lucky. It is recommended to boost this energy as much as we can by placing few symbols of well-being because the element of flying star age is earth. Our advice is to remove any plants from this place to prevent weakening, consuming the prosperity energy. The wonderful and adorable the ox were especially created for the Lunar New Year 2021. The ox is illustrated sitting on a bed of gold. This is a powerful symbol for wealth and luck. Faithful, honest, and with profound loyalty and responsibility, the ox is also reliable and generous in relationship with the human beings, and it has a deep sense of justice, which makes it the most loved sign from the entire Chinese cycle. It is believed that by placing ox symbols at home or workplace, it will strengthen and increase all the good traits and characteristics that are representative for the family member born in the ox year. In Chinese astrology, the ox is the first zodiac sign, and it coincides with the metal element of night brilliant. The zodiacal elites are the horse and tiger native, while the beak is a serrated friend. The lucky ox with a string of coins will give you the necessary strength to overcome obstacles and also will ensure the loyalty of those around you, preventing betrayal from those you consider as friends. Feng Shui golden looking happy Buddha holding in gold stated decoration with metal decor charm. This is an extremely beautiful representation of happy sitting Buddha. His always smiling face brings harmony and happiness every time. His is displayed in house or office. He sits on a sack of abundance and carries a string of auspicious coins, very strong symbol for abundance and wealth. Here is how you can use the happy Buddha in Feng Shui. 1. Place a happy Buddha with gold and look at in the living room, preferably facing the entry door to take advantage of luck and in the same time to repel misfortune, to attract harmony and balance in your family life. 2. Place a happy Buddha with coins and get on the study desk to keep stress and pressure at bay and also to facilitate accomplishing your goals. Place a happy Buddha at the entry of a store to attract luck and harmony and also to avoid any business betrayals. Feng Shui red against money tree. This tree brings harmony, happiness, and abundance. Add more positive in the house and in the office. Natural plants can be often seen in the Chinese houses because it is believed they have the property of attracting prosperity, wealth, and luck. Place it in the northeastern part to stimulate the energy of flying star age. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.